Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your card on Apple Pay. First, open the Wallet app on your iPhone. Look for the plus sign in the upper right corner and tap it. Then, select Debit or Credit Card to begin the process of adding your payment method. This initial step is quick and easy, getting you ready to add your financial details securely. Next, you'll add your card details. You can either position your physical card within the camera frame for automatic scanning, or if that's not working, simply choose to enter the information manually. Be sure to provide the card number, expiration date, and the 3- or 4-digit security code found on the back or front of your card. This ensures all necessary data is captured. After entering your card information, you'll need to verify it. Your bank will offer a verification method, often sending a code via text message or email. Select your preferred option and enter the code when prompted. Finally, review and agree to the terms and conditions. Once verified, your card is ready for use with Apple Pay, providing secure transactions. To use Apple Pay for a purchase, simply double-click the side button on your iPhone. Then, authenticate your identity using Face ID, Touch ID, or by entering your passcode. Hold the top of your iPhone near the contactless payment terminal until you see a check mark on your screen. It's a fast and secure way to complete transactions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.